What if we tell you that for the last 22 years, we've been cooking the tastiest cuisine in the world, made with the finest ingredients, and now it's ready for us to serve you? Value that's this good is hard to find anywhere. Our menu is so diverse that there is something tasty for everyone, regardless of your budget. At Optiven, we offer you hot grilled plots. Whether you're craving something in Nanyuki, Malindi, Naivasha, Thika, Kangundo Road, Kitengela, Naramoru, Konza, or perhaps Kajiado Township. Order with a minimum of 298,000 Kenya shillings and get a blender or 5,000 shillings cash back. To book a plot, call 0790 300 300. Bite any piece. Pata Utamu Halisi.